Hello everybody, today I'm going to teach you guys how to get anything you want. Whether you want to get a new job, whether you want to ask anything of your boss or your parents or anything. This mindset is just one thing I'm going to teach you guys. This is just one thing I'm going to teach you guys. This mindset and this mentality has literally helped me get anything I wanted, whether it was a role, was a seat at the table, whatever it was just about saying this magic words to myself and thinking, at the end of the day, would I rather live in this situation forever or try this and just see what happens? Now, this video, I'm going to be sharing this mentality with you, and if you're interested in this, then keep watching. My name is Oma. Now let's go.
When the beat drop, I'ma give it straight to him like, give it to him.
Now, before we get into this particular line, and I like to tell myself, you need to tell yourself, I'll tell you this, you need to fall in love. You need to like being, or should I say like, or get used to being said no to, being rejected, and all of those negative things that people hate to hear. I particularly hate to hear them, but at this point I'm the CEO of hearing them, because I always love to put myself out there and forget every other thing that might happen, because fear can be a very negative instigator and something that might stop you from accomplishing and getting your goals together. So you need to eliminate the spirit of fear or the idea that something might not work out the way you want it to work out. So you need to fall in love with failing. I know that. I remember seeing a quote by Gary Vee like that. You fall in love with failing. Fall in love with failing. Get used to failing. Allow failure to be. I like to tell myself that I'm literally the chief executive officer, CEO, chairman, operator, chief operating officer of being said no to. And that is why today I'm able to do anything I want to do. I can literally just say, forget it, I'm going to do this. Damn the outcome, I'm going to do this. Because you need to reach there mentally. You need to try yourself mentally and say, okay, what happens if I do this? Or what happens if I don't try this? So, what is this, you might ask? Why do you think less attractive guys, I don't want to use the word like that other word, but why do you think less attractive guys, for some ridiculous reason, have talked to anybody? They talk to anybody, fine, ugly, whatever it is. They're very personable, they're very friendly, they're very engaging. They can't chat up a storm. Why? Because they always put themselves out there. They understand, they get it. I'm not really that type. I'm not the spec for this community of people. But guess what? I'm gonna try anyways. I'm gonna try. I'm going to put myself out there, and whatever happens, happens. And that is why they're able to enter circle. That's why they're very, very friendly, because they don't care for rejection. See, honestly, to them, rejection has been something that they have been used to for as long as they can remember. It's not something that just happens to be. They're used to being said no to. They're used to hearing no, zero, that one, and guess what? They still put themselves out there. You need to be mentally ready to put yourself out there. I remember watching some CEOs, and you're saying that, okay, I think it was the CEO of Spanx, and she was like, her dad, anytime she came back from school, her dad always asked her, did she get rejected by something, or how many times did she hear no, or did anybody tell her no? It was almost like something that the father was training her to be, growing up. Because in life, if you're really going to put yourself out there, there is a very large possibility that you're going to hear no, it can't work, it's not going to happen, it is not possible, multiple times. Look at Elon Musk. I can't remember, or I cannot even count how many times he might have heard no. You cannot build a spaceship and fly people out in space. That one. But guess what? Look at what he's able to accomplish. You need to have that mindset. Okay, let me just jump right in. Whenever I want to do something, or whenever I want something bad, whether it's a job, whether it's a role I feel that I am not yet there for, and I'm like, will these people take me in? You know, there's always going to be that source of fear. There's always going to be that sort of concern if you are even what the role, or if you want to ask somebody out, whether it's a guy trying to ask a girl out and he's so concerned and worried that maybe he might not be there yet, physically, financially, or emotionally ready for that person, but he has seen somebody that he really likes and he's really considering, exploring things with this person. You need to put yourself out there and say, okay, let me ask this person out. At least let me try to with this person's friend. Whatever happens. I remember having this crush on this person. Oh my god. I don't think it was even a crush. I think it was an obsession. I was obsessed with this person. It was not normal. I wasn't normal. It was a serious sense of concern. It was very, very, very thing. It was terrible. Honestly, for a very big minute, I was really concerned about the guy. Oh god, I prank called him every single day, every evening. As soon as I got the opportunity, I prank called him. I was in the university. I had friends always tease me about, oh my god, you're so obsessed with this guy. And he was so fine. He was like dark and he was tall and he had the cutest smile and he had like a perfect set of teeth. He was really gorgeous. Anyways, I tried to get this person because I was like, I can't live like this. I'm so dramatic. I can't live this life like this. This person needs to know how much or how bad I really care for him. And he needs to know that there's somebody, a princess. Honestly, we need to talk about, one day we're going to talk about how Disney and all of those ridiculous stories might have just ruined our childhood. But you know what? I digress. Of how this man will come and rescue me from my tower. This princess, ready for her man in China. Anyways, I meet this person. I'm like, okay, my friend knew him. Or rather, my friend knew a friend who knew him. And she's like, oh, till today. I don't know what she told this person. But I don't want to find out. Anyway, so she tells this person that somebody wants to meet her. Anyways, the idea was that I was going to meet this person. This is a terrible story. Anyway, she tells this person that she wants to meet me. Okay, so we go out. We're going to a big gathering because it was in center of a school. We're going to meet this person and talk. And I saw him. He was standing. He had a beautiful white shirt on. Looking so gorgeous. Anyways, that was a terrible thing. We went and I said hi and he said hello and he was looking at me like, ew, like. He had the most terrifying facial expression I've ever seen in my life. It was terrible, like. And he shook my hand. And that was the end of us ever meeting. And that day I was thankful that that day I was actually very thankful that, I actually got through. I actually met this person that I really love. Unfortunately, he did not have the same feelings for me, Even though, even after that, he was still staring at me. He would always stare at me. Like, always stare at me. I don't know why. Maybe he was like, this is the girl that likes me, whatever. But I'm just thankful that happened, because if not, I would have lived all my life, from my first year maybe to my final year, dreaming of this person that didn't even like me the same way. So since that day, I've always put myself out there. If I like a guy, I'll go and meet the person. I like you. If you like me, good. If you don't like me back, it's fine. But I would rather live with the possibility of the outcome than staying in my cocoon and staying in my mind, daydreaming of this human being that might not even care about me, my existence, or who I am. So you need to say to yourself, what is the worst thing that could happen in this situation? What is the worst thing that could happen? What is the best thing that could happen? So in that situation of this boy that I liked, the worst thing that could happen was that he didn't like me back, and that was what happened. Or the best thing that could happen was he liked me, which was a good thing, and we might have dated, and which was a good thing. But then again, was I willing to live with the possibility that this person might not like me as much as I like the person? Yes, I'm willing to live with that. And if I wanted him, no, if I don't want that, no, I can't force somebody to like me. But if it was a different situation, for example, maybe a job, if I applied for a job, I didn't the interview and I didn't get in, okay. If other roles, if in the following 15 years that option came about again, it's something that I'll definitely consider applying. If this particular company organization really mattered to me, and joining this team was something that I was extremely passionate about, then definitely. So when it comes to doing something, whether it is about meeting somebody, being in a relationship with somebody, getting a job, doing something that you are very, very passionate about, even starting a YouTube channel, doing something that you're very, very passionate about, you need to ask yourself these key things. And that is what has helped me literally do everything. Like I would literally just sit down and I'll think to myself, what is the worst thing that wants to happen? So I want to start a bakery business. And I'm really, really passionate about bread. I love bread, and I feel that a lot of people love bread. Have you seen the bread out? There's so many variants, so many companies producing bread. It's insane. And they always run out of stock. That means bread is a good business idea. So I want to create a bakery, yeah? Now there is the issue of there already a lot of bakery businesses. There are already different bread variants, different types of things. The ones with raisins, the ones with sardines, the ones with color, the ones with jelly. There are different types of bread in the market. What now sets my business apart? What am I bringing to the table that is going to be different from that? Why would people buy into my idea? Why would people buy my bread and not any other person's bread? So these are the different things. That might tend to poison your idea, tend to poison your mind, and you're wondering, is this even worth it? Should I even consider doing something like this? Should I even consider exploring something like this? But with the mentality of, what if I explore this bakery business, and it actually comes out that my business picks up incredibly, people love my bread, I expand, enter into a huge tea factory, because you can't tell what the future might hold for a business owner. That is a possible turnout. The positive turnout for such an idea, that people will like your business. Your business will sell out every single day, every single week. But the negative turnout is people will not like your bread. Your bread will not be as pleasing, as tasty, or as satisfying as you would have wanted it to be. But you would never know until you try, right? That is all you need. That is literally all the ginger. That is literally all the motivation you need to do anything. The regret is not something that you want to dwell on. The fact that the possibility that people might not like me, or don't put yourself mentally in that position. Don't put yourself there. Put yourself in that position that says, what if I try this thing and it actually works out? And if it doesn't work out, at least I tried it. It's better that than not even starting at all. Now, if this video was helpful to you, please drop a like, leave a comment. I'd love to hear your own stories and how you've been able to accomplish all of these things. My name is Amma. This video has been incredible creating. I've loved every single second of it. Ensure that you're following me on social media, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Anyway, my name is Alma. I will see you guys soon in my next video. This has been incredible creating, and I love you guys too much. Hey, before you go, check out all of these videos right here. Check out these videos. Check out these videos. Check out these videos. You'll definitely find something that you like.